And he's gone again. A magnificent shot, another no ball, and what a shot. The timing has been impeccable.
There he goes, no ball again. And that will run away for 4. He didn't get all of it, but enough. Another no ball.
Another no ball, and he's just slogged it. Would you call that a straight pull? Probably.
I can't think of a better way of describing it. A straight pull. But another illegal delivery.
There is to put enough balls in this over.
That's gone away for 4 as well. That's just sheer power. And a great deal of timing. You heard Ian Chappell talking about how well this top 5 from India time the ball. And this fella does both. He's got awesome power as well. That's his 50.